G'day, we're just here in Spit Road in Mosman. We've just installed a high wall split system for Anne here. Anne's got her mother coming over this week, so she needed aircon urgently. So we've helped her out, got it in. Anne, what do you think? How did we go?
I think you did a great job. It was very short notice. You were very thorough with what you did. Both of you, including your young apprentice there, very energetic and helpful and polite. What more could I ask for?
Fantastic.
And it looks like a great job. Thank you very much.
Perfect, thanks Anne. Let's take a look at the outdoor unit. As you can see here, here's the indoor. We've got some internal trunking to the outdoor. Going around the corner here and straight through. And as you can see here, we've got it on some rubber mounts, so there's no vibration. Pipes and cables covered in trunking. So if you need air conditioning, give us a call. We can do split systems in your apartment, in your house. We can also do ducted systems. Don't forget, we also do electrical. So give us a call today and I'll be helping you out tomorrow. Cheers.